Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rice dispenser is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked kitchen appliances, designed to keep your rice fresh, pest-free, and perfectly portioned with effortless ease, transforming the way you store and access this staple grain. Imagine a kitchen where every cup of rice is measured accurately without any fuss, where your pantry remains organized, and where the threat of spoilage or insect infestation is a thing of the past, all thanks to a smart, reliable storage solution that blends seamlessly into your culinary space. Number 5. Glass Rice Dispenser with Wooden Stand. Introducing our elegant glass rice dispenser, designed to keep your kitchen organized and your ingredients fresh. It offers ample capacity and a clear view of your contents. Enjoy superior freshness with its airtight seal and hygrometer, ensuring your rice, cereal, and beans are protected from moisture and odors. It's perfect for all your dry goods. Experience ultimate convenience with its innovative bottom valve and funnel design. Dispensing is smooth, clean, and mess-free every time. Achieve perfect portions with the included measuring cup. Easily scoop exact amounts for consistent cooking results and reduced waste. Maximize your counter space with its slim design and large capacity. Its beautiful glass and wood aesthetic complements any kitchen decor. This dispenser is not just functional but also a decorative piece. It makes an ideal housewarming gift for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen organization. What we like? This one features a beautiful glass body with a wooden stand, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It also boasts an airtight seal with a hygrometer to monitor freshness and a convenient bottom valve for mess-free dispensing. If you appreciate both aesthetics and functionality, and want to keep your grains fresh while looking good on your counter, this is a great choice. What people say. The dispenser is easy to assemble and use. It holds a good amount of rice and dispenses it evenly. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my kitchen. Number 4. Conworld Laundry Beads Dispenser. Introducing the Conworld Laundry Beads Dispenser, designed for ultimate convenience in your laundry routine. Easily access your scented beads with a simple, one-handed operation. Reclaim your laundry room space. This dispenser mounts easily to the wall, keeping your countertops clutter-free. It's perfect for beads, powders, and other small solid laundry essentials. Worried about powder clumping? A simple stir with the included stick ensures smooth dispensing every time, even in humid conditions. It's designed for optimal performance. Our upgraded mounting system features larger, stronger adhesive stickers and optional screws for a secure fit on any wall. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it will stay put. With a large capacity, it holds up to 6 pounds of laundry product. The adjustable internal partition allows you to customize the space, making it a versatile addition to your laundry room. Crafted from BPA-free materials, this dispenser ensures the safety of your laundry supplies. It's a durable and reliable choice for organizing your laundry room. What we like? This dispenser is designed for ultimate space saving, with options for wall mounting to free up counter space. Its single-push dispensing mechanism makes it incredibly easy to use, and it even has an adjustable capacity. If you have a smaller kitchen or laundry room and are looking for a practical, wall-mounted solution for beads or powders, this is the one for you. What people say. The rice dispenser is easy to assemble and use. It dispenses the perfect amount of rice every time. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in any kitchen. Number 3. Aroma Housewares 27 pounds Large Rice Dispenser. Introducing the Aroma Housewares Rice Dispenser, designed to hold up to 27 pounds of rice or dried grains. Its space-saving features make it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Getting the perfect amount of rice is now easier than ever. With just a single touch, it automatically dispenses 180 milliliters of grains into the drawer. Keep your grains fresh for longer with its airtight seal. The sealed lid and dispenser drawer prevent moisture and stale air from getting in. Refilling is a breeze thanks to the Clearview window and capacity lines. You'll always know when it's time to add more. This dispenser is built for life, featuring hidden wheels for easy mobility. Its sleek design is attractive enough to be displayed on your countertop. What we like? This dispenser offers a massive 27-pound capacity, perfect for families or those who buy rice in bulk. It features an auto-measuring drawer that dispenses a set amount with a single touch and even has hidden wheels for easy movement. If you need a large capacity solution and value convenience and portability, this is an excellent option. What people say. The dispenser is easy to assemble and use. It holds a good amount of rice and dispenses it accurately. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my kitchen. Number 2. 25 pounds large grain rice dispenser. Keep up to 25 pounds of your favorite grains fresh and ready. This large container is perfect for storing rice, beans, and more. Getting the right amount of grain is simple. With just one touch, you can easily dispense and measure your desired portion. No more guesswork. It comes with a specially designed measuring cup featuring a clear scale for precise measurements every time. Beyond rice, this dispenser is ideal for a variety of dry goods. Use it for seeds, pasta, cereals, and other pantry staples. Crafted from BPA-free material, it ensures the safety of your food. Its high permeability and durable design make it a reliable kitchen companion. What we like. This dispenser holds a substantial 22 to 25 pounds of grains and comes with a measuring cup featuring a scale for precise portions. It's made from safe, non-BPA material, ensuring your food stays healthy. If you're looking for a reliable, large-capacity dispenser that prioritizes food safety and accurate measuring, this is a solid choice. What people say. The dispenser is easy to assemble and use. It holds a good amount of rice and dispenses it accurately. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my kitchen. Number 1. KitchenPro 50 pounds rice dispenser. This dispenser boasts a large capacity, holding up to 50 pounds of rice. It's perfect for busy households or commercial kitchens that use a lot of rice. Get precise portions every time with a simple touch. Choose from 100g, 150g, or 250g servings for consistent measurement with minimal effort. Crafted from premium stainless steel with stylish black accents, this unit is built to last. Its durable design also makes it a breeze to clean. Beyond rice, it's ideal for storing and dispensing other small dry foods. Think beans, grains, and more, all kept fresh and ready to use. Its slim, vertical design takes up minimal counter space. This makes it easy to fit into any kitchen or food preparation area. Please note, the rivet-based assembly is intentional for enhanced durability. Any slight indentations are part of this manufacturing process and do not affect performance. What we like. Boasting an enormous 50 pounds capacity, this dispenser is ideal for commercial kitchens or very large households. It offers precise dispensing options with a single button press and is constructed from durable stainless steel for longevity. If you need the absolute largest capacity available and require robust, commercial-grade quality, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. The dispenser is easy to assemble and use. It holds a good amount of rice and dispenses it accurately. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.